So I want to talk to you quickly about this wireless microphone for your iPhone. It works fantastic. It's plug and play. It really sounds really great. Listen to the end of this video and I'll show you an actual example from this microphone. So this is how it comes. So you can see here, it comes with a microphone and basically a receiver. Really simple and a very, very basic system. You got a clip on here. The microphone, basically you just turn it on and it connects directly to the receiver. It really just flawless. It works perfectly. It has a USB-C charger right there, so you can charge it up. Really easy to do, really easy. It's a really super simple plug and play. This is the receiver. This is where you plug into your bottom of your phone, of your iPhone. Then once you plug it in, you basically connect it and you're good to go. This is the cable. This is the cable that connects, that actually gives the power to the microphone when you want to charge it. An hour or so, and it charges it right up perfectly. When you hook it up, you just turn it on. You hold the button in the back. You'll see the green light. That's going just like that, and that's it. It's booted up. Okay, let's listen to the example of the audio, video, your footage, and just going around, and everything is going into the microphone, right into the phone, recorded directly, and it's fantastic. So I'm just going to dub this audio in real quick, and we're just going to listen to it. So, what do you think about the audio? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it sounds great. It works perfectly, and it's all plug and play and simple to use.